Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here, and welcome to 15-minute meal series. So today we have a barbecue jackfruit dish. So let's begin. So this recipe is fairly quick. It should only take you about 15 minutes. For this you're gonna need 1 tin of young jackfruit in water, not in syrup. You want it in water. You also need a few tablespoons of coconut milk. You'll need 1 tin of chickpeas here and a few spices and sauces. So we're gonna start by starting to heat up our pan here, and I'm gonna add all the jackfruit. I've drained the jackfruit so you don't want that water that comes with it, because we're gonna be creating our own sauce. So that's the jackfruit in. Then we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of, in this case I've got some chickpea water that I've cooked these chickpeas in. So I made them myself, but you could use canned, and just, you know, reserve about 1/3 of a cup of that water just to add to make some liquid here. Then I'm gonna be adding about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk here, just to give that nice creaminess. Then I'm gonna also pour in my chickpeas. So these are drained chickpeas. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vegan bouillon stock, or you could use some salt and pepper instead if you like. And then also I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of onion powder here, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, to just make this, to have this yummy kind of barbecue flavor. And this 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika will help with the smokiness. And then also I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce here. So use either your own. I've got a great recipe and that I'll link down below in the card above, great homemade barbecue sauce, but this time I haven't got any of that on hand, so I'm just using a store-bought. So about 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce of your choice, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce I'm going to be adding as well. Obviously, if allergic to soy, you can skip this one there. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, or you could also add a little bit of green olive brine, which I normally do. But I'm adding a tablespoon of white wine vinegar this time, just to give that little bit of tang to the dish. And then just mix it all together. I'm gonna have it on higher. So what we want to do, we want to get it to a boiling point, and then we're gonna reduce it, put the lid on, and we're gonna simmer it for about, you know, say 13-14 minutes, and that should be our dish ready in 15 minutes time. So I mix this well. I'm gonna be adding my lid, reducing, because it's boiling now, reducing the temperature on kind of slow simmer, and we're gonna check this in about 14 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, this has been simmering, so I've just switched it off, and let's have a look. It's smelling delicious. So yeah, you can see the jackfruit is kind of breaking up, becoming like strands of pulled pork, if you like, in there. So ideally, if you have a little bit more time, what you could do is you could put this in a casserole dish cover with the lid or with the foil and slow roast it in the oven on about maybe 150, 160 degrees for maybe about 40 minutes, because that would, you know, just infuse the flavors and everything even more. But we're gonna give this a go as it is, because I'm hungry and I want to try this out. So let me just dish some out for me on here. I've got a little bit of rice under there, but let me taste the actual barbecue jackfruit here. It's going to be quite hot. Yummy. It's really nice and creamy from the coconut milk. It's got that smokiness from the paprika and also the barbecue sauce. I've got a sweetness from the barbecue sauce as well. Very, very hot. This is good. I would have it with some kind of fresh salad or tomatoes, or I love pico de gallo salad with this crunchiness and that zestiness from the lime. Yummy. So yeah, so this is the 15-minute quick meal, quick barbecue jackfruit. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, welcome and subscribe for more videos and weight loss tips as well on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And remember guys, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until the next time.